Alright, hello everybody, I'm back. Alam ko, sinabi ko before, hindi ako unboxing channel. But look what has happened to me, to my identity. Pero I can explain, alright? I can explain. The people over at Gaciron Philippines were able to watch my review netong mic na to, Fifine F4 2021. And they sent me another microphone, which is the Fifine C1 lavalier microphone. And I'm gonna review this to you guys. Now, even though the mic was given to me, I promise you guys I'm gonna deliver the best review. Genuine, no lang bias. Now, before that, syempre kailangan natin i-unbox yung box. Alright, as you guys can see, dito tayo ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, upgrade. Hindi, actually, kinuha ko na cellphone ni Mami, tas nakadikit lang siya dito sa ilalim ng tripod. Thanks, Mom. So we're gonna start opening this product. We're gonna use a scissor, di ba? Galing. Alright, so okay naman yung bubble wrap niya. Cool. Inside the bubble wrap, we have this box. Fifine technology. Well, medyo rough yung box. Siguro sa ano na yan, transpo, transit, whatever you call it. Wow. Let's open it. Start here sa ilalim. Chineng, the user manual. And here we have a nice bag. Wow, actually. Alam niyo yung medyo felty texture. Meron pa siyang Fifine na logo dito sa bag. Feels good actually. Alright, ang daming laman. Look at that. Napakadaming laman. Here we have, for the first one, a headset thing, which I assume ito para sa mga conference siguro or mga speaker events. You have this thing. So, may mic na siya. We're gonna test this one too. I assume same quality lang siya, pero if not, we'll know later on. This one's a bit foamy. And then this one's foamy as well. Medyo snappy siya. Meron din siya yung Fifine logo, and it's gold plated, looks like. And then yung Velcro. Ano ba itong ginagawa ko? Pwede din naman siyang ganito. Kumwari may headset kayo, tapos walang mic, di ba? For the next one, we have the lav mic itself. May clip siya. This one's metal actually. Whoa. Ang daming attachments. Ito naka-splitter siya. Gold-plated as well. And then ito, this one's a parang extender lang kasi 3.5mm to pareho. Yeah. Pero ang nakasulat dito for PC/camera. But it's both 3.5. Pero 2 rings lang siya. And lastly, we have some accessories and an extra clip. So I did a bit of reading dun sa manual. And this is what I found out. Itong thing na to, it's called a Y connector. And if ever may dalawa kang lavalier microphone or earphones yung isa, okay lang. So isaksak mo to dun sa cellphone or sa laptop. And then you will have 2 microphone inputs na pwede. So isn't that amazing? Hindi ko alam na may ganito pala. Now I know. And this will come in handy in the time na may interview. And then now this long one, sobrang haba niya. Ito yung extender. Alam nyo na yung extender nga eh. And then this one, pag i-connect mo siya sa likod ng computer or sa DSLR camera. This lav mic was mainly designed for cellphones. Pero I'm gonna test it out sa camera and sa computer just in case may tendencies na magbago yung sound niya. Kasi I heard na minsan ganun talaga siya. So we'll try that out too. I'll be comparing the C1 lavalier, the Fifine F4 2021, etong headset mic niya, and yung cellphone mic, and yung laptop mic ko. Okay ba yun? We have a lot of things to test right now, guys. And I know you're excited. So let's hop right into it. Now, for consistency's sake, asan yung warranty? Hindi ko mahanap. Ayun, yung warranty. Kung makikita nyo, pinapagpawisan ako. That's true. Okay, so babasahin natin yung warranty. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 day from the date of original retail purchase. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Okay, so siguro naman kung maglalapel kayo, wala kayo sa loob ng bahay. Ito, we're testing the lapel. We're testing the lapel while in its natural habitat. Yung warranty, memorize na naman. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects and materials and workmanship in a period of something 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Fifine microphone warrants its hardware product defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase. Alright, so that concludes yung mga testing natin. If you guys didn't see, the lapel is over here. Overall, I think it's quite okay. Now, of course, if we compare it to this thing, the Fifine F4 2021, this one is a lot less qualitier than this for the cost of it. Kasi ito, first of all, if you're buying a microphone, you should know kung bakit mo siya binibili. You're gonna buy a lapel kasi maybe you'll be far away from the camera or gagalaw-galaw ka or nasa labas ka ng bahay. Now, this thing, even though the audio quality is so much better than this one, hindi mo naman siya madadala kung san-san eh. Or unless gusto mo to dalhin na may laptop kung san-san ka pumunta, di ba? And I'm free to move anywhere, bro. Hello, and you can hear me. No quality change. Pwede akong lumabas ng bahay. Nasa kabilang kwarto na ako, ganun pa din ang tunog. So, ang point ko lang, kung bibili ka ng microphone, know its purpose. And this Fifine C1 serves its purpose really well. And for the price, you also get a lot of accessories and another microphone. Actually, I can say it's a steal. Now, hindi ka pa din nakaka-decide kung steal siya. Kung titignan mo yung facial hair ko, dumami. Hindi mo napansin kasi focus ka masyado sa quality nito. That's how you know it's a good microphone. Zoned out ka sa boses ko. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye!